Here's a website I made, a quick step-by-step guide on how to make a WordPress website for beginners. It's a simple guide I made for beginners. From picking a domain to selecting a web host. In this example, we used Bluehost. Nothing too complicated, nothing fancy. You could jump around back and forth. I made this a while back, I just haven't had a chance to talk about it. The link is going to be in the description. You can scroll up and down, let's take a quick look. Just the basics. If you want something more in depth, there's a lot of YouTube tutorials out there, a lot of good YouTube tutorials out there. But you could take a look at this if you'd like. Again, the link is going to be in the description. It's basic, nothing too complicated. Yeah, there you go. Till next time.